Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 51, counting dimes, nickels, and pennies. So here I've got a bag of money, and the bag holds this amount of money. I'm going to draw a picture to show you how much it has. So we have all these coins. Now, until I label them, you can't tell what they are. But let's see if you can figure it out after I label it. So what do you think? Well, you can see I have the D means dime. So I have 2 dimes. I have just 1 nickel. And then I have 3 pennies. How can I figure out how much money this is? Well, when I count money, I begin with the coin that's worth the most. So in this case, I'm going to start with the dimes. And when I count dimes, I count by tens. So I would say that I have 10, 20. Now I'm going to count by my nickels, and a nickel equals 5 cents. So I go 20, 25, because I added 5 more cents. And then the pennies equal 1 cent each. So I would count 25 for the nickel, and then 26, 27, and 28. So I have 28 cents here. Okay, here's my other bag. This bag ends up having 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. Okay, so I'm going to draw that out. I'm going to draw 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. And I know these aren't the right sizes, but that's okay because I'm going to label them. So 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. Okay? All right. So each dime is worth 10 cents. So I can write a 10 above each dime, a 5 above each nickel, and a 1 above each penny. Okay? I'm going to try to get these so they're all in a nice row. So it's easier for me to count. I have to make them a little smaller for it. All right. So now I can count the amount of money I have. So remember, we start by counting dimes. So we count each dime. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. Then I count my nickels by 5. So that'd be 45, 50, 55, and then I count by pennies, 56, 57. So I have a total of 57 cents. Okay. All right. So let's say in this bag, I have, so there are 4 dimes, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies in this bag. So we count by dimes first. So we say 10, 20, 30, 40. Then I count my nickel, 45, and then the pennies, 46, 47. So this bag has 47 cents in it. So how could I write 25 cents using my dimes, nickels, and pennies? Okay, well, I know I can use 2 dimes and 1 nickel, or I could use 2 dimes and 5 pennies. I could also use 1 dime and 3 nickels, or 1 dime, 2 nickels, and 5 pennies. There are lots of different combinations that I can do with 25 cents. Okay. All right, so in class you'll be able to practice a lot of different ways that you can show these amounts. And that's how we count by money to count how much money we have. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.